Sorry?
You got a problem shaking your fucking head?
Yeah, you don't know how to
get around the corner?
Don't know how to drive a big car.
No, you fuckhead. We're backing into there, and you fucking come over here and shook your fucking head.
You shouldn't have bought a car you can't drive.
Excuse me, motherfucker. Shut your fucking cunt to the mouth.
Left out of town. Shania was constantly around the house, constantly looking at her phone, and then looking at and being like, Mary, what did the police say? What about?
What a wanker.
That's gonna make some.
I wish you could sleep in my bed. I've done that for a very long time. Even this one. Do you want to go for a walk? Oh, I can't imagine life without you. So, what about this one? If you go to bed, I'm just going to lie here with Albert for a while. It sounds like Whitman might need to join the exclusive brethren.
It's a religion, it's a church. The directive that's gone out to 50,000 members is every household should be freshly cleansed of dirty animals. No more pigs.
No more dogs.
So Fitzy decided to ask Kate this question instead.
Kate, it's up to you. Do you stay with the Lord? Or do you stay with Annie, mate?
I mean, it's a very big question. I don't think I will ever find myself in this.
Yeah, you'll never find the Lord then, mate.
I mean, I often see Annie running up the stairs with my knickers in her mouth, and I'll say,
And when they weren't talking about their animals at home,
I received a text message last night.
they were talking about
Fucking cunt.
Video protected.
Oh shit. Oh, they got done. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Can I have a go?
No, alright, there you go, you're good. There you go. Wow.
What the fuck?
You're on camera too, no?
Yeah, I want to watch that.
What a fucking sick
What the
copper.
fuck?
What a sick copper.
This is mate.
What a sick copper. What a sick copper, bro. So he said thank you for not fucking driving.
Because it's dangerous, because like, we can hear that.
Yeah, and he would need that.
Oh my fucking Jesus! What the fuck was that? Driving there. What in fucking hell are you doing?
Video protected.
Fuck. Get to the chopper. Commodore. Floors are straight across. Yeah.
That person beat you. Stop. Oh my god. Okay, stop. 0. Stop.
Mom, can I come? Yo, I'm going. Wait. Cause what the fuck? Fiona.